Hi guys, it's me John again. I know it's been a while since I did a vlog. I know I made a promise na gawin ko siyang episode per month, my monthly recap, pero life has been so hectic and schedule is pretty hectic talaga lately since I'm a fourth year student, a graduating student the next year, this June, manifesting. So, sabay-sabay po yung OJT namin at saka thesis proposal. So, I got busy preparing for it. So, I know nawala ako ng July, August, September, October, November, December. It's been 6 months. I'm gone and I have a lot to share talaga, guys. I mean, yeah, a lot of things happen in my life, not just here, not just now, but yeah, a lot of things happen, a lot of plot twists, and life has been so crazy lately. But I'm still here fighting, and laban lang tayo sa life. So, yeah. So, yeah. Hi guys. I don't know na how to vlog. Sure. Get away ka ayo pero yes, welcome back po. Nagbabalik na po. I'll try to commit na jud to this sa Commander ka for 2026. I mean, this will be probably my journal na jud. I mean, journal na storya lang. Because I prefer talking than writing jud, guys. So, yeah. But nonetheless, I'm so happy to be back and to share what happened sa 2026. I know, July to December nga journey. So, let's have a recap. For July, um, I bought a new phone. I upgraded my phone and it's the iPhone 15. Yeah, iPhone 15 last July 18. I bought it and then my old phone kinana sa akong sister. Kaya she needs phone for her studies man sad good since I can't let her use my laptop na pod kay I'm working sa akong laptop din ako pwedeng padala. So, substitute siyang phone siya. So, for the month of August, kay nag-start ng klase, nag-start ng OJT, orientation. I'm so lucky to have made or found my people job in my last year here sa college kay it is really important nga to have them jud bal though nana ko yung mga strong nana ko yung circle of friends but it's not lahi jud ang circle of friends when it comes to kana classmate bitaw mo kaya at least you have a strong support system while going through something sa inyo imong akads pod nga life. So for August kaya gapining me first time in our department before me gi-launch before us gi-deploy sa OJT. So na-assign day ko kay sa Friends Radio and Santa Filomena. So yeah, we did celebrated after the orientation with my friends, and it was so fun. Kaya like, um, we've made it this far. We've come this far na dyan, knowing the challenges we've faced all throughout our college years. So shout out sa Bayug family, sila Aya, sila Cersei, sila Dia, si Strom, si Tresh, si Joy, si Cha, si Aaron, and si Bunny. Shout out to them for being my support system talaga all throughout my OJT. And then for September, grabe ka gasto naman kay Fiesta and then daghan kay laag, daghan ko absent sa work kay Fiesta lagi and then gid-play na pod me. It was a very fun month for me kay like I got to experience being a radio DJ for the first time and the young JP wouldn't believe na maka-experience din siya radio broadcasting jud sa iyang life. For Fiesta, grabe, I cook for my friends, ako mga college friends, though I cook for them and made and celebrate with them. Kay for sure, katong mga high school friends, kay always pa na ako sila mauban nakita here sa Iligan. But for those na dito kay Iligan ako na friends, so I made it a little extra special for them. But I also made time man pod sa akong high school friends. So yeah, balance lang. And also, for the month of October, kay I got my kabalo na miskin sa among thesis group mates na announce na. And we are already, grabe jud siya. And layo kay og shift. I don't dili layo but ako ang prospect na thesis is about queer but then I got into feminist na lang. Not na lang but I got into feminist na thesis, more feminist na thesis because since our my initial topic was not approved. But then I'm very glad pod sa akong thesis right now because I'm really happy that I still push through gender studies. Balag dili siya queer as long as it is gender studies. Next is for the month of November. Grabe jud ang November. It was a roller coaster ride jud. It was an amazing month at the same time, a devastating month jud for me. A lot happened sa November. It started well jud, but then at the last week jud kay it got me so bad jud. Like it flipped around jud. I thought, grabe jud siya nga plot twist. We lost everything jud. And also, nabantay niya bago akong room nga background na because I transferred room because nag-transfer na og balay ako ang mom. So ako na lang isa diri. So ako na yung gamit siyang room. So nako sa ubos. And yeah, grabe jud ang November for me. And balik ko last November. So it's been a month na pod nga nag-live ko alone. So yeah, it was a hell. And yeah, nag-travel me to Cebu with my high school friends. So that's one of the plot twists to highlight po sa Kwang November. And I got to see Ben and Ben in person. It was so good. Their music is so top tier. Jud. Balik lang track. Maingon jud ni mga the best jud. Nandiyo yung Magic lang song. Yeah, and it was our first out of the city, out of Mindanao nga travel jud with the gang. Shout out to Eloisa, Mary Hans, Reggie, Angela. Um, See you on our next trip. I can't wait. Nagtigom sa ta, but yeah, I'm so glad to see how far my high school friends have come. Like, from 50 pesos na laag, mahukay lang, gura proven to going out of town, watching concerts, and yeah, booking flight tickets together. So like, grabe siya ka memorable for me. Kaya like, who would have thought at this young age we would get to do it? Kaya of course, all of us are coming from a not well financially stable na family. So like dili jud mi ka afford og ana, we would prefer to save our money instead of spending at luxurious things. But all of us got to work naman. So while studying, yeah, well, all of us are working students. Proud of my high school friends. Yeah. So we get to treat ourselves pod, and it was the Aurora Fest concert that we stayed at Cebu for almost a week and I had a lot of fun. Pero after jud that Cebu trip kay my life, jud completely flip 360 jud siya. I lost a lot. Me and my family lost a lot jud. But I hope so makapakod from it, and it's definitely hard, but we are going through it and fighting for it na okay ni and all. And we are still looking for solutions put for it. And for December, I could say siguro sa next na kong vlog na lang for my December wrap up. But yeah, the December started jud kay hellish for me. Kay yeah, mo to nga lagi nag-flip ako on life 360 jud last week sa November. So it was one of the hellish things nga nahitabo sa ako. So I can't really ano jud it. So yeah, ako na lang ilas ang mga clips nga i-compile. Gaya project ko guys because I think this is also a way of coping mechanism sa kanina akong ginabuhat. But yes, I hope mag-enjoy mo sa mga ipakita na ko mga videos and photos. So to add po the sa akong December nga wrap up kay I got my iPad and I got the AirPods 4 with noise cancellation. So like yeah, I don't know how to ano jud kay like I manifested it jud and then I got my iPad. So thank you for my boss. Thank you Mark and Henry. I got my iPad. Oh, I got an iPad jud. Finally, this one ako gamit as vlogging but right now separate video for unboxing ani. And yeah, I think I'll just also include my mga videos po sa unboxing sa akong new phone, and my new iPad sa another video na lang, not now. Kaya kanina solely for for keeps for looking back sa memories. So far, December has been good and bad po the first and second week. But this week, and last week was so good to me. I had a lot of fun and especially bonding with my friends and my blockmates. Kaya it is our last Christmas party na. Kaya ano, last semester na naman next sem, and we are gonna wear that maroon toga na with my blockmates and friends. Also, so happy kay we got to build stronger connection with my friends. Kay like I don't know. And test is approved po Amy. See you next time. Congrats. Yes, we did that. Na-approve mo one test topic. So, abante babae tayo dito. And also, last December 20, we had a birthday dinner. Also, Friendsgiving party na pod with my friends. Sila Aaron, sila D, si Trish, si Joy, si Bunny. Incomplete me because nawali na magandang ubaan. And yeah, but hopefully next time, ay, complete na me. And we get to celebrate our wins na pod. And yeah, I guess that's it for December. So for now, ato na lang ning. I want you to watch all the things na nahitabo sa akong life from July to December. Roll video.
Pabili po ng alaalang masaya, panghimagas ko sa buhay at siyang aking pahinga. Pabili po ng relos kahit wala ng baterya, nang dumungaw lang muli ang nalimutang pahina. Pwede bang pautang muna ng tahol ng aso namin matagal? Tagal ko nang hindi nakakapiling. Pabili po sa tindahan ng mga alaala. Pabili po ng sasakyang dati na pinaglumaan, baka sakaling maihatid sa paborito kong sinehan. Pabili po ng pambili noong aking kabataan, baka sakaling makabili ng paborito kong laruan. Pabili ng ginamit kong lapis sa unang sulat ko ng tula, pabili ng ginamit kong ballpen sa bagsak kong mga marka. Pabili po sa tindahan ng mga alaala, lumilipas lang ang bawat sandali. Anong magagawa ko? Tao lang, tao ka lang. Sa isang iglap, nagbago ang lahat. Huwag kalimutang sariwain kung dalawin ka ng mga alaala. Pabili po ng alaalang kasalukuyan kung umasta, pabili po ng galunggong sa presyong kaya pa ng bulsa, pabili ng krayolang pinagpuputol ko nung elementarya, baka sakaling maisalba ang iginuhit kong barabara. Pabili.
So yeah, I hope you enjoy what you watch. Kaya like, grabe jud siya nga 6 months, daghay hitabo jud. Grabe jud siya. I don't even know how to react, pero like, grabe jud siya nga 6 months, guys. So kuya ko, guys, because time check, it's already 1:09 and nag-work pa man po. So yeah, grabe jud siya na months. Ako na dyan maingon kay, you cannot expect what's coming jud, so better be prepared and ready jud kay life is full of surprises jud, because from July to the first half of November, life went well, pero after that, life went 360 jud, and we did not expect it, but I guess that's life. We have to conquer it. And dili man siya tumatag ng panahon. And bilog ang mundo. Yun yung ang sabi nila. Bilog ang mundo, and we can't just force anything nga. Dili ta permi on top. We should experience also nga nata sa baba. And yeah, a lot of things happen, and I've learned a lot jud na grabe jud. I-realize po na ko na I killed a lot of versions of myself na jud this year. Kaya like, a lot happened, but the old me wouldn't know what to do on those situations. But right now, after everything that happened, I'm so proud of myself for standing strong and standing through and smiling through all those challenges na nagyan dyan with me and my family. And I'm so glad na I chose to fight, even though life is about so unfair, but who cares? That's life. I know na good things will come for those who wait. Maybe this is not our year jud for me and my family, but who knows? God has bigger plans for us, especially for me next year, hopefully, since a new chapter will unfold jud next year for me. Kaya, education, kay mahuman na jud ako ang journey and chapter with my school days, and officially being the first graduate. Manifest jud ako na siya, guys, na apo nga pagumangkon nga anak sa mga bloodline jud, whole bloodline. And I'm glad na ako yung buhaton ng tanan, makapaso lang akong parent, akong mom, and akong grandmother sa stage while me wearing that marang toga next year. Medyo na akong gina-manifest, and I hope na bigger things are waiting for me next year. And for you too, I hope na to those for you who are watching this, I hope na you will also continue to fight for your life, for yourself. Don't just let others dictate what you do or for being who you are. Just just fight for yourself, Jud, because you are the only one who knows kung unsa ka ang unsa yung gusto. Unless sila gapakawnin mo, they don't have any right to do anything to you. Don't be affected sa ilang ipangingon sa imong ha. Stand tall, be strong, because at the end of the day, ikaw rin nakabalo and ganun nabuhat nimo and ano, why you are fighting for yourself. Because people tend to ano jud, bring you down. Mo jud na atong di makalikayan sa Filipino nga culture, grab mentality. Um, yeah. For now, I just want you to remember this na you're being loved by everyone and you have a lot of friends around you supporting you and yeah, just give yourself a butterfly hug every time you feel sad. I know that it's hard, but life is hard and life is unfair. But trust me, things will get better soon. And just keep fighting because I know time will come na others will clap for us na if it's our time now. For now, let's clap for other people's wins. Kay dili pa man atong time. But for sure, if time when the time is right, and if kita na po'y muda o if it's our ano na jud time now winning, others will clap inside. So for now, let's just wait for our turn and continue clapping for others to win also. Let's not pull each other down, but lift each other up. Okay, like yeah, more than that, there's the world is too evil naman God and we shouldn't put more fuel to it. Yeah, mas daghanon pa be evil and be chaotic na po. Because mo na siya. Let's choose to be kind. So yeah, um, that's it for this video. This has been a very long video, jud guys. Bear with it, but I'm sure na halingaw ra mo. So yeah, thank you for listening. I know wala ka viewers, but yeah, thank you for listening and thank you for being with me. And I just want to say na I appreciate you and I love you. So see you on my next video. Bye bye. And Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Lilipas lang ang bawat sandali. Kung di mo ipunin ay paano na? Hindi naman masamang magpahinga. Huwag kalimutang sariwain kung dalawin ka ng mga alaala.